Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to fix thanks for providing your information on Instagram. For this, if you face this problem on Instagram or if you see this page on your Instagram, for this, just go to your any kind of Google browser. I'm using Chrome browser here. Then search here that my account was deactivated. Then go for in this first link, my account was deactivated. Then it takes you directly in the help center of Instagram. First of all, check that one, and now you can see some boxes are here. Then first of all, you need to enter your name here in this box, then your email address that you provided on your Instagram account. After that, you have to enter your username here, which is your account's real username. After this, describe your problem here, then choose your file. It means you have to give a screenshot or type a screenshot here of your problematic page, and don't check this one. This my content was removed due to violation, because if you check this, there is just minimum or just no way to recover your Instagram account. So for this, don't check this one, just go for send. After a few days or few hours, you can get an email from Instagram that your account has been recovered. Then you can use your Instagram without any problem and fix your problem. So that's it. This is the process. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment, and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.